let's go make a lap at the Goodwill Bins and see what we can find when they first open. Y'all are not even going to believe what I found. This is going to be a test. It's a test. Well, this has totally derailed my day. I don't normally go to the Goodwill Bins this early, but I just dropped Ren off at summer camp, which is right by the Goodwill Bins. I have to pass by it. And I'm feeling a strong desire to just go make a lap. And this is really the only time today that I would have. So I think I'm gonna do it. All right, we got some picture frames right here. Ooh, these are some good big trifold ones. I've been finding the smaller ones, but I haven't seen the bigger ones. Oh my gosh, this frame is pretty too. This is pretty as well. What you got? Rooster?
There's a whole stack of plates over there.
Thank you. I think I'm gonna leave this here for somebody else. I know for sure that's gonna get rescued. And I like this frame because of the little bit of a different shape, and I love the linen. Oh, you know what? Look at the blue matting. This might look good in Ryan's room. Okay, we just walked in. We're off to a good start. Y'all are not even gonna believe what I just found. Look at that. Of course we need the Baby Yoda art. I cannot believe that. Look at the teddy bear art. That is precious. It says tea for two, afternoon tea. Those are really big, and I don't like to ship that kind of stuff, so I'm gonna leave them here, but hopefully somebody else rescues them. Ooh, a horse. Oh my gosh, look at the glossy white and the crazing. Is there any major chips on it? It does look like the neck maybe broke off. No, it did not break off, but there is a chip all the way around it. Oh, this is still pretty though, right? I should still get it. What is this? Okay, that's interesting. It's a music player, and his body is a crystal. A crystal swan? I wish it didn't have a crown. Oh, the crown. Wait. I think that's, oh, there we go. I thought it was chip, but there was a piece of wax or something on it. Bird is broken. What else is in here? Ooh, I love these marble eggs. This is a blue one. A marble banana. Okay. Some birds. Oh, look, a little marble egg. Ooh, I see Bucky. Hey, Bucky, good morning. Ooh. These are great. Perfect to put in closets. You could hang your necklaces or whatever. Grab those. Is older Tupperware something that I should be picking up? Because I do find it pretty often at the Goodwill Bins. Here's a few pieces just in here. Okay, this is weird. Look at these babies, and they're like squishy. What in the world? What in the world? I'm gonna get them because I think Ren's gonna get a kick out of them. I kind of like it here first thing in the morning. It's so quiet. But the reason I don't come first thing in the morning is because it takes them a while to get stuff moving. Like I've been here about 25 minutes and they haven't, started bringing out new bins or anything like that. But today that doesn't matter because we're still finding good stuff. I don't know what this is for, but it's leather. Wouldn't this look cute around a book? And then maybe I could find a brass button or something to glue right there. I like that. Add to cart. Oh shoot, is this a Afghan? No, I see buttons. It might be a shawl. Yeah, it is. But isn't that pretty? I like shawls because they look great hanging. This one's in good condition. All right, add to cart. Oh, this is precious. It's a crib. Actually, I think somebody just glued that on here. That's a good idea. You could use the IOD bow mold and really make a plain crib adorable. Lots of clothing. I'm trying to resist the urge to look through it because it's supposed to be a quick trip and I've already been here too long. Yes! Oh my gosh. Look at this croquet mallet. I wanted one of these for my game wall. It's exciting. All right, they're just starting to bring out new bins, and I don't care if they start changing out the wall. I am leaving when I'm done with my lap. Ooh, I like this belt. Projects. This belt has this beautiful horse buckle. I'm trying to decide if I should buy the whole belt or just take the buckle off. This is a new bin they just wrote out. Oh, look at this basket. I'm not sure if it's newer or older. Let's open it up, see what the inside looks like. Also, do y'all hear what is happening behind me? This is gonna be a test. It's a test. Do I actually have the willpower to leave? Here's a Prada purse, but I'm sure that's not real. I always look for these fabric belts. Just think of them as ribbon. They usually come in lots of pretty colors. Sometimes they have designs, and you could tie them around books. You can make a bow, just all sorts of things. So for sure, be on the lookout for these. And I also like how they have a masculine look, because it really is hard to find masculine colored ribbon. You know what I mean? I just found this belt. Look at the whale. They have all of these different silver animals. I wonder if I could get them off. I just want the cute little animals. And I also found this belt. I could tell immediately it was Brighton. Isn't it precious? It's smaller, so I can maybe DIY with this. I'm gonna get both of these. If you know how to get these animals off, let me know. This is a Vera Bradley wallet. I just Google Bins it. This must be a retired pattern because it was selling for pretty good money, and this one's in good shape, so I'm gonna grab it. Okay, they just refilled the wall and I'm still here, so I gotta dig, right? I found a few things. Look at this hobnail milk glass pitcher and this mother cup. It says made in Korea. I think it's so pretty. I actually think that's a mistake when it was made. And I also got some bags that I need to look up, and this thing. I want to open it up and see what's inside. It is a panoramic picture of New York, and this one was taken in 2012. Well, this has totally derailed my day. They're doing this side now. I don't have the self-control to leave and not know what they're going to be putting out next. These shoes look really expensive. The whole thing is leather. It doesn't have a brand name, but I Google lens them. These are a size 8. They're moccasin boots, and they are extremely expensive. So I'm gonna be grabbing these. They're doing the other side too. This is a men's crossbody bag. It is beautiful leather and canvas, good condition. It's missing the strap. I'm gonna go back and look through the bins and see if I can find the strap. That's so pretty. I've never heard of this brand, Christopher Kahn, but when I felt this purse and saw it, I thought it was so pretty, and apparently this is an expensive purse, so I'm gonna get this one as well. It is in really good condition. But this was a really good find. This is an older bag. You can immediately tell by the zipper. This is the brand. It does have FedEx on this side, so I'm wondering if it was a gift. It does have a few issues, but I think I'm still gonna get it. It's really pretty, right? Y'all, they just rolled out a new bin. Look what I found. It's all the little boy. What is his name? I know the girl is Sunbonnet Sue, but I don't know what his name is. Can y'all believe this? I was looking for the leather strap. I did not find it, but I did find this belt. Red, white, and blue. All right, they're almost done with the wall. That's my cart. After this, I'm for real leaving. Y'all are not even going to believe what I found. I'm gonna dump it out on this table so we can look at it. Hats this size and little tiny ones. How cute are these? They're like basket hats. Hanging baskets. These also mini baskets. We got some wooden pigs, cats, and look at all the wooden bowls that I found. Pots, little cat, little mini wooden bottles. Look at the goose and these shelves. So this actually goes on the wall, and oh, this one's broken. It's missing a piece right there. See, it's supposed to be like this. Hangs on the wall. That's your shelf. You put all your little cute minis on it. So I'm glad I stayed for this changeover, but I have got to go now. I really like the shape of this hat. I think it would be good on my hat wall. It's almost like one of these, except bigger. Ignore the new bins. Ignore the new bins. You gotta go. I have a dentist appointment literally right now. Y'all, this was supposed to be a quick lap. How did I end up with a whole bin of like really awesome items? Oh, I didn't even show y'all this. Look. A Santa 1985. I've been looking for one of these, and it has a boom box and a camera. It's just like me. Okay, I'm leaving. Luckily, there's not a long line. Y'all, they're changing out the wall again. I can't stay. Can't stay. I gotta go. If you're interested in the types of items that you see in my videos, you can find them on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com, in the home decor section. Or you can come check me out on Whatnot. I have shows every single Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.